I'm West, and this is Lucy. 7 months ago, we left our job, sold our house, and started traveling. It's time that I start documenting some of that and sharing it with you. Here's a few things you can expect to see on my channel. Ooh, just a little wind-blown hair. New episode of Cooking Shit. My laziness won out over my desire to drive to town, and so I just grabbed some random stuff to throw together. We've got cheese, a tortilla, some tomatoes, a little mayo, oysters, some jalapenos. In there. I might be using mayo to hide some of this taste. I think you'll find that on a scale of things that are hard to eat. A limerick. Once while I was a-hiking, I found the boot of a Viking. I had to spoot, so I used the boot and found it quite to my liking. Question of the day. What do I think would make this channel a success? Either Gordon Ramsay reviews my one of my cooking videos, or I get invited on Hot Ones. So we'll see at the end of the year. See you in April 2023. Taste.